Shares of Amber Enterprises India Limited traded 0.74% up in Friday session at 10:30 am. Around shares change hands on the counter. The script opened at rupees 1242 and touched intraday high and low of rupees 1253 and rupees 1231 respectively in this session. So far, the stock quoted a 52-week of high rupees 1695 and a 52-week of low rupees 750. Market cap of the company stood at rupees 3738 crore on 29th May 2020. Amber Enterprises India is scheduled to announce its March quarter earnings report on 30 May 2020. Shareholding pattern as of 31st March 2020. Foreign institutional investors FII held 12.36% stake in the company, while the promoter held 44.02% stake in the company. Valuation ratio according to BSE data, company has a good consistent profit growth of 34.32% over 5 years. Stock is trading at 3.53 times to its book value. Amber Enterprises India is engaged in the business of manufacturing of versatile range of products: air conditioner, microwaves, oven, washing machines, refrigerator heat exchangers, sheet metal component, etc. And finally, we provide proper analytic data to trade in the stock market free of cost. To get a notification on WhatsApp, send data on 9664551128. And thanks for your confidence.